NXP Semiconductor's SLN-VIZNAS-IoT kit is a turnkey, edge-ready development kit for secure offline face recognition based on the i.MX RT106F crossover processor. The i.MX RT106F features a 600 MHz ARM Cortex-M7 core for fast response, and the MCU-based implementation reduces BOM cost by more than 50% compared to MPU-based designs, while requiring as little as 16 MB of flash and 8 MB of SD-RAM. The kit includes dual RGB plus IR cameras based on inexpensive CMOS sensors, providing low-cost and low-power liveness detection to prevent spoofing, such as with a photo of a person's face. This also enables operation in dark environments with onboard white and IR LEDs. Faces can be registered locally on the kit or remotely on a PC or mobile device and then uploaded to the kit, with the kit able to recognize a face from a database of up to 3,000 faces. For connectivity, it has a USB-C port, a Wi-Fi and BLE module, and an Ethernet controller. The camera feed can be viewed over USB-C, or users can add an LCD display. The entire design measures just 30 by 40 millimeters. NXP also provides a fully integrated turnkey software package to get users up and running quickly. The software package includes example code plus a free RTOS build, drivers, and image processing libraries. It also includes the VIZNAS SDK with NXP's Oasis Lite machine learning vision engine, enabling edge-based offline face recognition and eliminating the privacy concerns of cloud-based image processing. The kit is fully supported by NXP's MCU Expresso tools and is available within the MCU Expresso SDK. For more information on how to get started with NXP's SLN-VIZNAS-IoT kit and all of its capabilities, visit Mouser.com.